Caterers, have you ever wondered if restaurant systems will work for you? Hey there, Restaurant Pro. This is David Scott Peters, restaurant expert, coach, and creator of the Restaurant Prosperity Formula. Today, I want to address a question I get asked all the time. Do your systems work for catering companies? The short answer is, well, absolutely. But let me dive deeper and explain why restaurant systems are so important for any food and beverage business, including catering. So let's get started. Whether you're running a bustling restaurant or a thriving catering business, the fundamentals remain the same. At the core, both operations need to ensure they're delivering quality food, exceptional service, and maintain profitability. And this is where systems come in. Systems are the backbone of consistency, efficiency, and success in any food and beverage operation. Let's talk about some of the key systems that are crucial across the board. 1, inventory management. Knowing what you have in stock, what you need to order, and what's getting wasted is critical. For caterers, this is especially important because you work on a per event basis, and running out of ingredients or over ordering can eat into your profits. 2, recipe costing. Understanding the cost of each dish or menu item ensures you price your offerings correctly. This applies to restaurants and catering alike. For caterers, it's vital. It's vital to know the cost of the food you're producing for large groups to ensure you're not undercharging and losing money. Number 3, labor scheduling. Efficient scheduling is critical, right? Efficiently scheduling your staff can make a huge difference in your bottom line. In catering, this means knowing how many servers, cooks, and support staff you need for each event, avoiding both overstaffing and understaffing. Number 4, standard operating procedures, otherwise known as SOPs. Having clear, documented procedures ensures everyone knows how things should be done, maintaining consistency and quality. This is just as important in a catering business as it is in a restaurant setting. 5, customer service. Great customer service it's universal. Whether you're serving guests in a restaurant or at a catered event, how you interact with your clients or guests can make or break your business. Training your team to deliver exceptional service is crucial. Now let's focus specifically on catering. The stakes are often higher because you're working, event by event. Each event is a new opportunity to impress or disappoint, if you will. And the margins for error, they can be slim. Here's why applying these systems to your catering business is a non-negotiable in my view. Consistency. Consistency ensures that, every event meets your standards or exceeds your client's expectations. Then there's efficiency. Efficiency helps streamline operations so you can focus on delivering an unforgettable experience. Of course, there's profitability. Profitability, this keeps your costs in check, ensuring you're making the profits you deserve. So, there you have it. Whether you're running a restaurant or a catering company, the systems I teach are designed to create consistency, efficiency, and profitability. By implementing these systems, you'll be better equipped to handle the unique challenges of catering and set your business up for a long-term success. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and keep striving for prosperity. Be sure to join me live every Friday at 8 a.m. Pacific time on YouTube, travel schedule permitting, where I'll get you pumped about the upcoming weekend, get you excited about crushing your goals and finding the motivation to be best you possible. Plus, I'll answer your burning questions live.